Yan o, yung punong yan, kulay green yan dati. Pero pagdating ng autumn, fall, naging dilaw, tapos nalalaglag na. Pero ang ganda na. Ayan o, ang ganda ng kulay o. Orange. Mga punong ito. Yan ang green yan dati pero nagiging orange. Ayan. Tapos nagkalat lahat ang dahon sa ground. So as you can see, yung mga dahon galing dito sa mga puno at laglagan na lahat yan pupunta dyan sa gilid dito sa parking. Lahat yan, pag winter bagsak lahat yan. Pero ang nangyayari dito, yung mga may-ari dyan ay kunyari yan sa church or dito sa swim zone, i-blower nila yung mga dahon papunta dito sa road. Tapos may darating ditong street sweeper, wawalisan niya yan lahat ng dahon para malinis pa rin tignan. Yan ang process nila dito. Yan na yung sunset, oh. Ang ganda, oh. Parang may umaapoy doon. Ayan. Minsan yung sunset nagbibigay ng feeling katumbas ng sunset years of our life. Kapitbahay ko yan. Nagwe-wave sa akin. The sunset years of your life. Parang ang feeling mo nostalgic, malungkot, kalmado, pero after a day's pahinga na, yan ang feeling mo. Blower and vacuum for dried leaves. Ngayon, na-explain lang ako sa inyo dito. Pag inalis mo ito, yan, inalis mo yung lock na yan at kinalas mo, makikita nyo merong ngipin. Yung ngipin na yan, yan ang mag-grind sa mga leaves para pag suction niya, di ba? Pag suction niya, gigilingin niya lahat. Pagdating dito sa bag, pino na yan. So, yun ang mangyayari dyan. So, kabit natin. Kita niya yung red na yan. May butas dito. Kailangan mag-click din yan pag sinara natin. Yun. So, naka-ready na siya. So, ready na ito for vacuuming sa mga dahon na tuyo. Gusto mo namang gamitin siya as vacuum, alisin mo to. Press mo tong pula. Yan. Alis na yan. Tapos, itong cover na to, alisin mo. Yan, unlock. And then slide. Okay, naalis na. Tapos kakabit mo ito. Yan. Rotate mo. Oops. Rotate mo siya. Kita niya may ngipin ito. Kailangan pumasok siya dito. Yun. Pag nag-click, tapos ilalak mo siya dito. Ayun. So, okay na siya. Ready to go na ang ating blower. Kabit lang. Tapos ang switch niya nandito, push mo para mag-on. And then kung gusto mong palakasin yung power, number 1 pinakamahina, number 2 pinakamalakas. So pag ikakabit mo ito, kailangan mag-click siya. Yun, pasok na yan. Ito yung blower, ito yung motor niya. Ang brand niya is Bosch. Dito bubuga yung hangin galing sa motor. So ikakabit mo lang yung nozzle at saka yung cover nito. Good morning, Ate Linda. So we're walking, strolling down the lane with Ate Linda. How long have you been here in New Zealand, Ate Linda?
I've been here for
40 years.
48 years.
Imagine.
48 years?
Yes,
Oh, that's a long time. So how many children have you got?
I got 3.
3. And how many grandkids?
I got 3 too.
Oh,
For
wow.
for one daughter.
So you're
But they are all married.
You're very blessed. So, hang on, I'll stop for a while. Okay, let's resume. So,
We found a seat here.
yeah, it's a cozy
I suppose
sitting area in front of the
Hairdresser.
Broadway hairdresser. Are you going to have your hair fixed?
no, I come back. Might be later or one day. what my hair?
Okay. So, would you be able to share how old you are?
I am 78.
Oh, you're too young. So, you're not even
Oh, yeah.
100.
You're too old.
But you know, the amazing thing about Ate Linda is his health. She's healthy and strong. She walks a lot. You do walk a lot, right?
Yes, I never
You-
drive.
You never drive. Do you cook?
I love cooking.
Do
I
you?
love people coming eating.
Yes. Last night she brought some food
Yeah.
for the birthday
love
of
it.
Julie.
But it wasn't very nice because Penny just told me, "Are you only 4? We are only 4, so I did not cook much."
Oh, that's all right. That's all right. It all adds up. So that's
yeah.
very good. What you said? It was a surprise.
It was a
It was-
surprise birthday. And
Surprise birthday.
Yes.
Yeah,
I-
because Julie
Want to
was thinking about
Yeah,
so many things. You know, she wasn't sure if she's gonna invite or all the ladies or just the friends or the church mates. You know, it's so hard to invite because you have a lot of friends and you only want to focus on a few, and the others will not be happy about
your
it.
Birthday.
Anyway, what I'm trying to share in this video is, since the title of the blog is The Falling Leaves of Autumn, so
Oh,
there
come on,
comes a
that's
time in everyone's life, right? There comes a time in everyone's life where you would grow old, right? But some grow old and are still strong. Some grow old and deteriorate. But in the case of Ate Linda, she's growing old and strong. What's your secret, Ate Linda?
No alcohol.
No alcohol. You mean
Never drink alcohol.
never drink, okay? But you rub
Love-
alcohol.
I I love alcohol to buy and give it to somebody.
I mean, rubbing alcohol.
About the rubbing alcohol.
I don't know. I don't know.
For
But I
sanitary
love it.
purposes.
Okay, what else?
Yeah,
No
I
alcohol?
love seafoods.
Seafoods.
Seafoods. I don't eat red meat.
You don't eat red meat.
No.
Okay.
I love a little bit of pork and chicken.
Pork and
And
chicken.
mostly fish.
Fish.
Yeah.
Oh,
About
wow.
fruits. About.
Yeah, I love fruits, but I can't eat too much acid. I got this I don't like too much acid. Anyway, it hurt
Uh-huh.
my stomach.
Yeah, acidic. It makes you acidic.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, thank you very much, Ate Linda, for sharing your secrets.
Not much. And you know what?
Yeah,
Keep moving. Love gardening.
gardening.
Weeding,
Okay.
hunting. Yes, lots of vegetables. in the
Lots of
garden.
vegetables. Wow.
Drink lots of water.
Lots of waters, lots of coffee, lots of tea.
How about sleeping? How many hours do you sleep?
I never sleep all night.
Okay.
If I feel hungry, I come out and eat something.
Okay.
But most often, how
But
many,
we can't eat when
how
we
many
are.
hours do you sleep? Most often.
But 6 hours.
6 hours.
6
Oh,
hours. That's the
okay. I see.
need.
Well, I sleep as much as I want to whenever the body
I
needs
sleep
it.
20 hours a day.
Yeah. If I still feel
no.
tired, I still continue sleeping.
Yeah.
And
yeah.
then when I'm freshened up, revitalized, I just get up and continue doing work at home and outside.
Yeah.
Okay.
Look after Jolie is not easy.
Sige, Ate Linda, thank you ah.
Thank you.
And walking lang ngayon around town with Julie on the right side and Ate Linda on the left. There's an exercise for everyone this morning. So we're going to the supermarket Woolworths, and as you can see, Ate Linda has a bag on her left arm. She's gonna buy her supplies, then go to some other shop and then go home. May mga kaibigan si Ate Linda na Kiwi. Ang dalawang yan, 80 years old na yan. Oh, healthy, di ba? Maporma pa. Okay. Dito kami sa bahay ni Ate Linda.
Once a day.
Ito yung bahay niya.
Once a day, that's good enough.
Ito yung sala niya.
Kasi isa lang. Once lang. Kasi pagka marami, iba na.
Napaka-cozy.
Para yung happy ko, supposed to be
Ito pala yung sinasabi mong ano, kurtina. Pareho pala tayo. Mami, oh.
Ano?
Ayan, kurtina.
I got a beauty couple. My visitor. Yeah, this time.
Okay.
Ay, Diyos ko, sabi ko, ganyan ako.
Sarap, ang sarap ng
May ano,
morning tea natin.
walang ano eh.
Sarap.
Wala akong sinaing, kaya
Hindi,
lang.
okay lang yun. Kiwi naman kami, kiwi.
Or
Sige.
chippy.
Sarap ng kape
Chippy.
natin.
Yes.
Kaya wala, hindi tayo nakikita. Hindi naman ako kakatok. May aso ko. Takot kaya.
Nakakawala si Choka lagi.
Ayan, si Penny. Nandito na.
May video
Dito pa rin kami. Ayan, si LB. Hello, LB.
Analindahin.
Tayo. It's a small world after all. It's a small world after all. It's a small world after all. It's a small, small world.
I don't know that song.
Yeah, bakit small world? Kasi,
Ang
Ang
layo
laki-laki ng mundo,
okay.
nagkita pa rin kami.
Ay, New
Okay.
Zealand.
Gods, sabi pa ni Penny, It's God's way.
God's
It's
way.
God who makes way for us to see each
To
other.
meet. Oh, bakit? Saan ka sa Samar, Leyte?
Sa Tacloban ako sa Leyte.
Tacloban.
Siya naman sa
Samar.
Calviga,
Samar.
Samar. Pinagdugtong ng San Juanico
San
Bridge.
Ah,
San
okay.
Juanico.
Wow, awesome. Okay.
That's our history.
Oh, tapos?
Oh, and Manalinda is the classmate of my former NFA manager, Fanny Choco Mercado, who is also from Calviga, Samar.
Oh, that's very funny.
And hello to Mana Fanny,
Okay.
who is also leaving for LA.
Okay.
Yeah, happy trip, Mana Fanny.
Okay.
Thank God I have met all these kind-hearted people.
Yes.
Okay,
Enjoy.
thank you.
Enjoy in your
Enjoy.
Spanish.
Thank you.
Love to your family. Bye.
Bye. Meron tayong i-reveal.
Oh, kaya ito na.
Si Penny, ilang kayo?
13!
13.
Yes.
Tapos,
Si
Ate Linda, ilang kayo?
12.
12. Oh, kami, 10.
Oh,
Kayo, Liat,
8.
8.
Present.
Ikaw.
7 all girls.
Wow, ang
That is
dadami.
Filipino.
Filipino, ang dadami.
I am the eldest.
Ah, okay.
And I was a middle, but
Middle.
I
Wala
got
kasing family
8
planning.
brothers
8 brothers.
and 2 sisters.
And 2 sisters.
Ay, pareho halos
Four girls.
kami.
Oh, ikaw.
Kami, ako ang gitna rin. Gitna. Gitna ako.
6 na.
3 boys, 2 girls, and another 3 boys.
Ah, okay.
Kaya, eight.
Kayo, Penny.
Kami ang babae.
Dalawa lang kami na babae. Dalawa lang.
4. Lahat ay
So,
boys na.
There's so much stuff
4 na
used
babae,
Yes.
lahat boys.
Yes.
in Manila.
I'm reading from the New King James Version, Ecclesiastes chapter 12, verses 1 to 8. Remember now your Creator in the days of your youth, before the difficult days come, and the years grow near when you say, I have no pleasure in them. While the sun and the light, the moon and the stars are not darkened, and the clouds do not return after the rain. In the days when the keepers of the house tremble, and the strong men bow down, when the grinders cease because they are few, and those that look through the windows grow dim, when the doors are shut in the streets, and the sound of grinding is low, when one rises up at the sound of a bird, and all the daughters of music are brought low. Also they are afraid of height, and of terrors in the way. When the almond tree blossoms, the grasshopper is a burden, and desire fails. For man goes to his eternal home, and the mourners go about the streets. Remember your Creator before the silver cord is loosed, or the golden bowl is broken, or the pitcher shattered at the fountain, or when the wheel broken at the well. Then the dust will return to the earth as it was, and the spirit will return to God who gave it. Vanity of vanities, says the preacher. All is vanity. Let us hear the conclusion of the whole matter. Fear God and keep His commandments, for this is man's all. For God will bring every work into judgment, including every secret thing, whether good or evil. Gusto ko lang i-connect yung the falling leaves of autumn to our life in general, which refers to the sunset years or the declining stage of our life. Lahat naman tayo in a normal way would progress from birth, maturity, decline, and then we pass on. So itong portion na to is talking about the decline, the declining years. The years when the book of Ecclesiastes has described. Maganda yung mga metaphors niya. Sabi niya dito, while the sun and the light, the moon and the stars are not darkened. Bago mangyari na hindi natin makita, ibig sabihin nakapikit na yung mata mo. Tapos sabi niya, the clouds do not return after the rain. Yung cycle hindi na uulit, titigil na siya. Tapos sa verse 3, sabi niya, in the days when the keepers of the house tremble. Ano ba yung keepers of the house? Yung kamay natin, di ba? Ginagamit natin ang panlinis to keep and maintain the house. Nanginginig na. So, yun yung pinaka ultimate, nanginginig na. And the strong men bow down. So, napapayuko na, di ba? Yung mga edad talagang nakukuba na, nagkakaroon ng osteoporosis. Tapos sabi, when the grinders cease because they are few, yung an image of the teeth, yung ngipin, di ba? Nagdi-decay yan normal decaying, especially pag hindi naalagaan. So nababawasan hanggang later on, bungi na lahat. Yan, nagiging konti na lang, sabi. And those that look through the windows grow dim, referring to the eyes. Medyo mahina na yung pananaw, malabo na for a distance, for reading, malabo na. When the doors are shut in the streets and the sound of grinding is low, talking about the sound, mahina na yung pandinig, kailangan ng hearing aid. When one rises up at the sound of a bird, so madali siyang ma-istorbo, ma-irritate, kaya ayaw niya na maingay. So yung dati na enjoy sa mga bata, ngayon naiinis na siya. And all the daughters of music are brought low. Dati mahilig sa mga music na lively, mga sensual siguro. Tapos ngayon hindi na. And sabi dito, they are afraid of height. So dati malakas ang loob, umakyat ng puno. Ngayon medyo natatakot na siya. Tapos sabi dito, hindi lang height kundi terrors of the way. So natatakot na siya sa labas. Hindi basta-basta katulad ng dati. Adventurous, malakas ang loob. When the almond tree blossoms, sabi ng iba tungkol sa buhok ito, pumuputi, yan. And the desire, when the grasshopper is a burden and desire fails. So referring to the desires, dati ang mga desires niya matindi, ngayon mahina na. Tapos ang ending niya is, for man goes to his eternal home. Yun. So sabi sa Bible, Hebrews 9:27, it is appointed for man to die once and after that the judgment. So ang ultimate, papunta tayo lahat doon. And of course, may mga taong hindi nakakaranas nitong mga decay, wear and tear, deterioration. Tulad ni Moses, 120 years old, malinaw pa ang mata, malakas pa rin ang katawan. At may makikita kayo mga centenarian sa iba't ibang parte ng mundo na malakas, healthy. Basta't hindi katulad ng iba na nagkakaroon ng malfunctioning sa iba't ibang parts ng body nila. Pero the main idea here is lahat tayo pupunta doon sa stage na yon of decline, of wear and tear. So ang sabi niya dito, lahat pupunta sa pag-passing away, babalik sa dust kung saan nanggaling. At sabi niya dito, the conclusion of the whole matter is we fear God and keep His commandments, kasi magkakaroon ng judgment day. Either when the Lord Jesus Christ comes again or when we die. Pagka matay natin, maghihintay na lang yon for judgment. So kailangan, before that happens, we fear God, keep His commandments. Ngayon, may nag-iisip ng iba na, so pag malapit na, saka ako magsisisi. Pero ang problema, hindi natin alam yon kung kailan. So in essence, at the time na marinig natin yung message na tumigil ka na, whatever stage in your life, bata, matanda, o mas matanda, pag narinig mo, sabi, today is the day of salvation. Ngayon pa lang, pag narinig mo yung message, magsisi na tayo sa ating maling pag-iisip, maling pagsasalita, maling paggawa. Kasi darating yung time, huhusgahan ng Panginoon. Ngayon, isang point pa is from the New Testament. Nung dumating si Jesus, lahat ng kasalanan natin, binayaran niya na. So that napatawad na tayo ng ating kasalanan, nabigyan na tayo ng eternal life. Pero may isang kondisyon, kung tatanggapin natin to. Kung hindi, wala. Kahit na anong pagsisikap natin, kahit na anong kabutihan ginagawa natin, hindi makakasalba sa atin. Ibig sabihin, hindi tayo dapat magdepende sa sarili natin. Magdepende tayo sa kung ano ang ginawa ni Jesus para sa atin, para mabayaran ang kasalanan natin. And then, after that, sumunod tayo. Yung obey His commandments, do good works. So, ang relationship ng repentance, faith, mauuna, pagkatapos gagawin natin ang mabuti. Hindi naman pwede yung tinanggap mo si Jesus dahil pinatawad ka na niya, tapos tuloy-tuloy ka pa rin sa paggawa ng masama. Kanyan, abuso na yan. So, dapat makita lang natin yung relasyon. So, yun lang ang gustong i-connect dito sa topic ng The Falling Leaves of Autumn. Thank you.
Fast food.
Penny, i-vlog kita ha.
Okay.
Doon sa garden mo.
Oo.
Ikaw ang bida doon. Yung garden mo. Alam mo kung bakit?
Why?
Kasi yung garden mo may malaki kang greenhouse.
Yes.
At saka ang dami mong halaman.
Yeah.
So, yung next vlog ko ay tungkol sa greenhouse mo at saka yung mga veggie products mo
Yeah.
na Pilipino pero
Oh,
nasa
thank you.
New Zealand.
Oh, that's right.
Okay, see you later!
See ya.
So, mga kapatid, kung nagustuhan nyo ang video, paki-like na lang. At kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe, paki-subscribe na lang. See you later!